Hello, I am a highest artist. Don't be afraid, we are here to help you. You reached me because you fill out a form online inquiring that you're interested in learning how to work at home and make gold teeth. I'm here to give you a quick rundown and why to work at home and make gold teeth. In this economy, is so many people losing their jobs to AI, and that is one reason to fall back and make gold teeth. This is not just a fashion, it is a culture. You can also follow me at a highest artist, okay? I've done Grillz for Orlando Brown. I've also worked with many different celebrities. I am into fashion, and I've also worked with Erykah Badu. So that is one reason why you should make gold teeth with me and let me be your teacher. Now, there are 3 different levels. The first level is our $30 membership. You will have access to an amazing fan-based group. We have a group, and trust me, you need this when you're starting to work at home and you need the support from others. There are over 29 class lessons in this new way that you will be learning how to work at home and make gold teeth. This is not the old way with the regular wax. We use a invisible line and we changed that into gold teeth.
I started my journey learning how to make gold teeth January 1st of this year. Okay, I started as a student just like you will be. So I met a highest artist through Instagram, and originally I was just coming to her as a customer, right? I've seen the gold teeth, I wanted me some, okay? And then I saw she was offering classes. So I said, wait a minute, I can make these. I can get mine, but I can also make some money doing this as well. So this is a stream of income that a lot of people don't think about. So this is an opportunity for you to boss up, make a difference for yourself and your family. I had to do this for my family. I was in a situation where my job was being taken by AI. Right? So I lost my job, me and 400 other people. And I was able to start this process and be a part of this journey. And I was so grateful that she was there and offering this so that I can be able to make a difference going forward. I started to realize that it's going to get harder and harder to make it if you don't have a stream of income of your own. So that is exactly what I did. I also have a 3-year-old little boy, and he is on the autism spectrum. So he's probably going to be heavily into arts, crafts, creating, and that is another reason why I wanted to get into this, because if I can learn how to do this and have something to pass down to him, that would fulfill my entire purpose with him. Giving him an opportunity that he may not get anywhere else. So again, this is a life-changing opportunity. You will be able to have coaching calls with us. You will have weekly meetups with us. You will be able to join the fan-based group where the entire community of students are there, sharing their victories, asking questions, everything you can think of as far as a aspect of community you will have in this group. You will not be left behind. We are always available to assist you. And you guys, the amount of success that you can see with this is infinite. It's all about what you do with it. So my first 6 weeks, right? My first 6 weeks making customers, I made $3,500. That was almost enough to just completely replace my job at that time. And luckily I was able to transition into this once my job ended. And now I'm able to keep going and make this a full-time journey for myself. So if you are ready to get out of the regular 9 to 5, if you are ready to make a difference and a change for yourself, if you are ready to boss up, if you are ready to make some money, if you are interested in learning how to make gold teeth, Grillz, and learn this new method that was created by a highest artist, then you are in the right place. And we are excited and looking forward to getting together with you and assisting you on your journey. So congratulations for even watching this all the way through. You are on the road to victory, and I'm happy for you. See y'all in class.
All right, so let's talk about the memberships and what come inside the packet. You will get a physical catalog, and it's going to look like this, and we're going to customize it. The next thing you will get is the support. We have a group app, and there's different levels to the group app. It's called the Boss Up 100K Club. This group app, you have access to other members. You can show your work. Any questions that you may have or concerns, you can just place inside the group app. Any questions or concerns, you can just make a post and someone will respond. There are times that someone may have a question on a grill. This is an example. Someone asked me if I knew how to do a grill with a gap filler in 3D image. We have live training. With the $75 membership, you will get your live training for free. You do not have to pay for the live training. This is one of the benefits of becoming a Boss Up member at the $75 membership level. The $55 membership level and the $30 membership level, if I do any lives, it is a paid live. So keep that in mind. The great thing, we have Monday night Zooms. We also have a YouTube channel that we post all of our Zooms if you were able to miss it. So this community is the best community to start. Next, we will talk about scanning. You will get a discount on scanning your Invisalign. You will get a free scan every month and 30% off your scanning. It is so very important when you are learning how to make gold teeth that you are certified. You will get a grill technician certificate and it will look like this. Now, the welcome package that we give you in the $75 membership, it goes over wholesaling. If you want people to work for you, that is the best way to go. You will get a wholesaling list. This is for your company to grow. I know you know someone out there that really wants to make some extra income and they can work for you. We have an example laid out just for you. Prices for your employees, prices for you to make extra income. We have already figured out the hard work for you. Next, it's so very important to stay in tune. We have once a month coaching. This is a coaching just to help you and your business succeed. We want you to move to the next level. And in this coaching, we go over so many different opportunities for your business to grow. How to get customers, how to maintain customers, and how to brand yourself. These coaching calls are so very important every single month in the $75 membership level. We also give you a free EIN number to make sure that you are legit. The online classes conduct of 29 lessons, teaching you from start to finish how to make a grill out of Invisalign, how to upload the grill in the system, choose your gold, and bingo, ship you your grill straight to you. We're going to sum up this 55 membership. Now, the 55 membership comes with everything except for the new improved catalog. We have an old catalog, and this old catalog, it looks like this, but it is amazing. And the other thing that you will not get a free scan per month, and you will not get 30% off your scans, but you will get 20% off your scans. Once you jump inside the class, you will understand that Invisalign will need to be scanned, and we also recommend the company to scan the Invisalign for you. Sometimes I go live and I do things that are not inside the classroom. Like we did a missing tooth, how to make a missing tooth, and it was a paid live, even if it's $1.99, $5.99. If you want to see any of the videos, pay for your live training. And it's not expensive at all. It's very inexpensive. One day it could be $1.99. The next day it can be $2.99. The next day it could be $10.99. It just depends. And it's a paid live. And it goes over some amazing training that is not inside the classroom. I want to say with the $75 membership, something that I did miss, You get a digital catalog and a physical catalog. The digital catalog is for you to continue to purchase more catalogs if you need it for your business. The physical catalog is for you to brand yourself, go out there to the grocery store, show this work, get your customer. Go to church, show this work, get your customer. Go to your family member's house, show your work, get your customer. You cannot forget about the baby, the $30 membership. Let's get you in the door so you can see what we're all about. You don't have to sign up to the $55 membership. You don't have to sign up to the $75 membership. Let's get you in the door for the $30 membership. Start your classes, come to our group app, and you can upgrade later.